Hello all, my name is Urmil Dalal and he is Vaibhav Barot. Okay, he is my student. So today we both will discuss about the current topic. The title of that topic is overthinking. As you all know that nowadays many students are facing this kind of issues that they are constantly thinking about the past events. Whatever events happens with them, they are continuously thinking about those events and they cannot concentrate about their present. Okay, so that's why today we both will discuss about this issue and we will give some practical solutions which you can apply and you can come out from this situation. Okay, yeah, so Vaibhav, I want to ask you that can you explain what do you mean by overthinking? How can any person can understand that no, he is presently in overthinking right now?
So first of all, the biggest example of students, when they are doing study, so that time, they have a lot of thinking about mind. So after finish study, what I will do, at which place I will go for a visit. But it can be disturb your study. And if you will do the overthinking, so definitely I have to say the depression may become in future. So first of all, you have to prepare your mind and you have to understand the which work you are doing. So you have to focus on this. So after finishing your work, definitely you can do other, but this can be dangerous. So first of all, you have to do some for your mind.
Exactly. Means he try to say that you have to engage yourself in some any other work instead of thinking your past event all the time. You should think about your present and the future. That in future life what you want to do. See, you cannot change your past. Whatever things happens, it happens. Okay, you cannot change, but you can wasting your present and future by always thinking about your past. Okay, yeah. Anything else you want to share?
So you all know the biggest examples of the some big celebrities like Dwayne Johnson, Virat Kohli. They were suffering with the depression, but they have a this type of thing. If we will do this, so we cannot do about our future. So they all think that we have to focus on present, and you all know about the presence of mind. The MS Dhoni sir. So MS Dhoni sir, they face a lot of difficulties in his life. But now when he stand on the pitch, so we can say he has a lot of presence in mind. So because of this, they can. So our India can win this match because of MS Dhoni sir.
Yes.
So presence of mind is very important.
Vaibhav has given a really good example. See, we should learn from this kind of people that they are also coming out from this kind of situations. Okay, so yeah, today the purpose of making this video is for that there are many students, many people, they are coming in this situation at any time. Okay, so whenever you come in this kind of situation, just keep calm, write down your thoughts on your any paper and think quietly that they are useless. Why you are wasting of thinking of this kind of thoughts continuously? Okay, and still if you are facing any doubts more, then you can write down your doubts in the comment box below so that we will try to solve your doubts. Okay, and yeah, we both are wish you all a very good luck. Okay, yeah, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if you think that this video is very helpful for you, then please share this video with your friends also and write down in comment box any topic on which you want to make video, so we will try to make video on that topic also.
And please live in present, because present is more important, not past. If you have a good present, so definitely your future may become good.
Yes, definitely. Okay, yeah, thank you.